Hey guys, it's Matt from Optimus Futures. So today I want to talk about a little bit more about paper trading and versus real trading. I got an email a few days ago from a gentleman who attached an Excel spreadsheet. I hope to get back to him soon. Just we've been really busy, but he sent me an Excel spreadsheet and very polite email asking me to kind of evaluate whether this Excel spreadsheets, the trades are good. They were all demo trades. And, my response to this really, to anybody who's asking, are those results too good to be true? Because that's the one thing I get all the time. They're like, I've been paper trading. Are those results too good to be true? So if you're asking that question, yes, the results are too good to be true. So I cannot analyze trades that are done and not only, just for anybody or on a demo for short-term trading. It's just really impossible because you don't know in real life if those trades would have been executed. Or the profit, would have been taken, or what would come first, the profit or the loss, because many times, as you know, those of you who trade live, you can have a trade that's in the profit, but the limit order doesn't get filled, and the market reverses, and then it stops you out. So those kind of scenarios don't come about in demo trading. So I don't know how to analyze something like that. I don't know how to approach it. I don't know what to say, or because you can build entire equity curves around demo trading, but I don't think it's a source of reference for short-term trading. So if you are not trading live, also you don't know what kind of reactions you're going to have and whether you're going to take all the trades that you should have. So for example, let's say that you paper trade, and you place 30 trades a day. Well, in real life, sometimes traders, they go through 3 trades and then they can't trade anymore. So not being there with live money, it's just kind of play money, and there's no real emotions that are attached to it. Now, I truly believe that majority of people try to approach their paper trading in a realistic way. I really do think so. I really think that when people say, I am treating my demo like a real live account as if it was real money. I believe that that's their intention. I believe that this is also, they sincerely believe in it. But in reality, when you trade real live money, it's just a different DNA, different chemical interactions, different psychology, different everything. So I believe that paper trading has its purposes, but I don't believe that you can build equity curves and trading results or bring anything close to it. Now, there are traders out there, and I've addressed it in the past, that trading live for a long time, and then they test strategies, and they do it in paper trading, which is fine, because then they know the limitations of paper trading. Like, they don't come only from paper trading. They've seen live, they know what can be executed, what can be executed, what frequency to trade on. They have a totally different perspective on strategy and developing an edge. So again, I'm not trying to argue with people who are paper traders, although they build their own world, their own assumptions, their own conclusions, but it has its limitations. And if you don't admit to it, then you don't admit to it. Now, you can say, I have a strategy, I can put it in Excel. And I think the gentleman that sent me the email, at least I have to commend him for the fact that he did put it in an Excel spreadsheet. He did try to quantify his trade. So it weren't just a bunch of clicks. He actually imported them into an Excel spreadsheet. You can do a lot with those numbers. But again, are they real? But when they're too good to be true, and they look too good to be true as a paper trading, they probably are too good to be true. So again, you have to transition slowly from paper trading to grow as a trader. If you always stay in paper trading, building your models on that, and don't have the ability to go in and improve, that's where the work starts for traders. Once they're live, evaluating live performance, keep on improving live performance. Now, some traders migrate between paper trading and real life trading. I don't know if it helps. In my experience, it doesn't. For other traders, it might. If their emotions are too high and they could have done really, really bad or really, really good, and they just want to kind of take a breather and a deep breath, they can go back in, not to lose the rhythm of the market. They can go back to paper trading. So of course it has its purposes, but again, to build a real live trading model from it, apply it the exact same way, in real life, that for me is just mission impossible. So again, the challenge starts only with real life money, when you have skin in the game, when you feel the pain of a loss, when you feel the excitement of a win, and being in control all the time, developing risk management for your trading, going over your trades at the end of the day, and keep on doing your homework on an ongoing basis to become better and better and better at this game. Nobody wakes up, nobody in this universe, in the world of trading, can get up and say in the morning, I know the markets. You're just as good as your last trade. That's what it is. No, so again, I don't want you to judge yourself only based on your last trade, but my whole point is that it's an ongoing improvement, it's ongoing analysis, ongoing review of what you're doing. You have to eliminate the bad habits, and at the same time, you have to strengthen your strengths, make them even better. So that's your goal in trading, and this is a goal that you're going to be working on forever if you want to achieve that full-time trading status that many dream of. That's what it requires. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please click the like button. I want to get this message to many traders. My approach to trading has always been realistic. Say it like it is. I don't try to sell dreams. It's a difficult profession, but I think the more realistic goals the traders set and know what they're getting into, I think they'll be able to cope with the challenges better. I wish you a good trading week. Again, click the like button. If you're a futures trader, you're looking for a futures broker, we have a great team here at Optimus Futures. We look forward to hearing from you. Until next time, take care.